best performance cars for 2024-2023 Audi S3. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the 2023 Audi S3 emerges as a frontrunner among the best performance cars of the year. Renowned for its blend of exhilarating performance, luxurious design, and cutting-edge technology, the S3 continues to captivate drivers with its dynamic driving experience and versatility. The 2023 Audi S3 makes a bold statement with its sleek and sophisticated design that exudes athleticism and elegance. Its sculpted lines, aggressive front grille, and signature Audi LED headlights create a commanding presence on the road, while its sporty accents and quad exhaust tips hint at the car's high-performance capabilities. From its distinctive design elements to its aerodynamic bodywork, every detail is meticulously crafted to optimize both aesthetics and performance. Under the hood, the 2023 S3 boasts a potent turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance and responsive acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension technology, the S3 offers precise handling and agile cornering, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. But it's not just about performance. The 2023 Audi S3 also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, ergonomic design, and a host of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every aspect of the S3's interior is designed to enhance the driving experience and provide unparalleled comfort and convenience. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Audi S3 represents the perfect balance of exhilarating performance and everyday usability. Its sleek design, impressive performance, and practical features make it a top choice for drivers who demand high-performance capabilities without sacrificing comfort or practicality. In a market filled with contenders, the 2023 Audi S3 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Audi's commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. With its blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the S3 continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.